Why are there not more people talking about amino acids and their crucial role in our health? Amino acids are often called the building blocks of life. They play a crucial role in almost every biological process. They are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, from muscle growth to immune response. Think of them as the tiny but mighty workers that help build and repair tissues, create enzymes and hormones, and support a healthy metabolism. They are indispensable in maintaining overall health. Without the proper balance and amount of amino acids, our bodies cannot function optimally. Achieving this balance is crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting recovery. There are 20 different amino acids that are crucial for human health.